AI roller coaster videos are exploding across Instagram right now, and I genuinely think this is going to be the next massive AI viral trend. The best part is that with just one single prompt, you can generate unlimited, unique roller coaster ideas. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 2 minutes. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same completely free. Let's get started. First, head over to this prompt link from the description below. Simply copy the full master prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple roller coaster content ideas for you. Simply choose the one you like the most and paste its number. Within a second, ChatGPT will generate a complete master prompt based on your selection. Now copy the master prompt and head over to Google Flow. Here, select the video option and then choose Omni Flash as your video model, along with your other desired settings. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Within just a few seconds, your AI roller coaster video will be ready. Let's watch the result together. And that's literally the complete process, and can generate unlimited unique videos. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the next viral AI niche the moment it drops.